guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another quick CVS haul video. I went back to CVS and I picked up some few items and I think they turned out very well. My first deal is on Covergirl Cosmetics and they on buy 2 get 5 back, limit of 1 per week. I picked up the eyeshadow priced at $5.59 and one perfect blend pencil priced at $5.79. The total for these two items will be $11.38. We have a $2 coupon that you can print out from coupons.com and we also have one in our app. Be careful when you do this deal because the $2 we have in our app is only attaching to the eyeshadow, it's not attaching to the eye pencil. Using those two coupons, we also have a $4 off extra care coupon for Covergirl products. That will take off $8 and drop it down to $3.58 and you get 5 back, making both free and $1.62 money maker. Let's go over my receipt and see how this deal worked out. The two coupons are applied and my 4 off Covergirl coupon also came off. I have a 3 off your next purchase CRT. I got this in my email and what I've noticed for the past 2 weeks is I'll get one in my email and when I do a transaction, another one will print out. But if you're using $3.38 to pay for this transaction, this will turn out free and $1.62 money maker. The next deal I picked up is Palmer Skincare. They're on sale for buy one get one half off and when you buy 2, you get $6 back. I'm going to pick up 2 Palmer's Cocoa Butter Cream. Here it says $7.99 but when I checked out, this actually came up $7.49. With the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.74 and they will total $11.24. We have a $1.50 coupon in our app and if you go on coupons.com, you can print out another one. Both will take off $3 and drop it down to $8.24 and you get 6 back, making them $2.24 or $1.12 each. This is the receipt for this transaction. The 2 coupons came off and I used another 4 off your next purchase CRT and I also used a $5 extra care box which adjusted down to $4.23. Pay 0 out of pocket, I only paid tax and I got back $6, making them just $2.24 or $1.12 each. Another easy deal I did with no paper coupons would be the Huggies wipes. They're on sale for 2 for $20 and when you spend $20 you get $5 back. I picked up 2 bags of the 168 counts and we have a $1 off coupon in our app and I used a 2 off 2 Huggies CRT. Both took off $3 and dropped it down to $17 and I will get 5 back. Ibotta is giving back 25 cents, limit of 1. And Shopkick is giving back 300 kicks on each pack. That means I'll get back 600 kicks, which is $2.40. And Checkout 51 is giving back $1. After the Ibotta rebate, the Shopkick and the Checkout 51 rebate, these two will end up costing me just $8.35 or $4.18 each. Let's go over my receipt and see how it worked out. The $1 coupon came off, the 2 off 2 CRT applied. I ended up using $10 extra care box, paid $6.90 and I got back $5. Submitted my receipt to Ibotta for 25 cents and to Shopkick for 300 kicks on each bag and also to Checkout 51. When I get all my rebates back, these 2 packs will end up costing me just $8.35 or $4.18 each. The next deal I'll pick up will be on Scott Bar tissues. They're on sale for $9.99 and when you spend $20 you get $5 back. I'm going to pick up 2. Both will total $19.98 and that's within the 98% rule for spend $20. If you do this type of spend deal, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. We currently don't have any coupons in our app for these products, so I'm going to pay the $19.98 and get $5 back. And I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, limit of 1. And that will make this to just $12.98 or $6.49 each. And here is my receipt for this transaction. As you can see, everything worked out very well. I used the $4 off your next purchase CRT, used $7 extra care box, and paid $8.98 out of pocket, and I got back $5. When I was making this video, I realized I didn't submit this receipt to Ibotta. And when I tried submitting it, the offer was gone. And instead of these two costing $12.98 as I mentioned earlier on, it ended up costing $14.98 or $7.49 each. So if you're doing this deal, make sure you check your Ibotta to see if the offer is still available. That way you can save more. My next deal is spend 30 get $10 back, limit of 1 per week. And I'll start this deal by picking up the Downy fabric softener on sale for $6.99, Gain fabric softener on sale for $6.99, 2 bounce dryer sheets on sale for $6.99 each, and 1 Tide detergent on sale for $5.49. These 5 items will total $33.45. I only used 1 coupon from the CVS app and the rest I used the coupon 24 app. I used 2 $1 coupons for the bounce dryer sheet. One came from the CVS app and the second one came from the coupons 24. I used a $1 coupon for the Tide detergent, a $1 coupon for the Gain fabric softener, and $2 coupon for the Downy fabric softener. The coupons took off $6 and drop it down to $27.45, and I'll get $10 back, making them just $17.45 or $3.49 each. And this is the receipt for this transaction. As you can see, all my coupons came off. The Coupon 24 app is very easy to use. All you have to do is scan your items, add them to cart, and show the cashier the barcode, and everything will work out. I ended up using $14 in pharmacy reward, $5 extra care box, and paid $8.04 out of pocket plus tax, and I got my $10 back. If you're using only extra care box to pay for this deal, you need $27.45, and you will get $10 extra care box back, making them just $17.45 or $3.49 each. Just a reminder, every time you do P&G deal, don't forget to submit your receipt to their website. The points actually adds up and you can redeem the points for gift cards for your next transaction. The next deal I picked up is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on Nature Bounty supplements. They're on sale for buy one get one free, and the cheapest I can find is priced at $7.29, so I picked up 2. I have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and if you go on coupons.com, we have another 3 off 2 that will double dip. I also have a $1 off Nature Bounty CRT. That will take us $7, and I'll pay only 29 cents, and that will make each one just 15 cents. Here is the receipt for this transaction, and it worked out very well. The 2 3 off 2 coupons double dipped and took off $6, and I used my $1 off Nature Bounty CRT. I used 14 cents from the 2% back we get every time we make a purchase, and paid just 15 cents out of pocket plus tax, and that ended up making these two just 29 cents or 15 cents each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.